Hi everyone. If you want to make a program automatically launch whenever you log into your Windows PC, like the sticky notes at the start of this video, but that program does not have an option in its settings to automatically launch on Windows Startup like this, then please do the following steps. And just a quick note, this method works on Windows 7 and later. Alright, so if you're on Windows 10 or later, right-click the Start menu button, and then click Run. Or if you're on Windows 7, simply click the Start menu button to show the Run box. Then type shell:startup without any space in between. And then simply press Enter. This will open the File Explorer and bring you directly to your user startup folder. Now click the Start menu button and look for the program that you want to automatically launch on Windows Startup. Then simply drag and drop the program onto the File Explorer to put a shortcut to that program inside your startup folder. Alright, that's it. Now if you log out, and then log in again, the program will launch automatically. Alright, I hope you find this quick tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.